Well, thanks for visiting us here at ArkLaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, joined by meteorologist Jesse Kelly and Chief Meteorologist Todd Warren. Shortly, it's 12:15. You've got all three of us today, as we're likely going to see some widespread to scattered severe weather as we go through the afternoon. Doing this video here at about 12:15, just give you an update on the Storm Prediction Center. The outlook for us kind of keeps increasing. Our confidence keeps increasing that we will see some severe weather here, especially across Arkansas as well as Louisiana. So every time they update this map every few hours, we see that enhanced risk get expanded. So that's the area we're really watching today. This will be about 3 to 6 p.m. that we'll see the worst of the storms through the enhanced risk area. The storms will likely fire up in the next hour or two here in northeast Texas and Oklahoma. Again, as these storms mature for the first few hours here, we could see some wind and hail in that slight risk area here, which encompasses much of East Texas. And again, as the storms really get going this afternoon, we have more of a window to see a few tornadoes here, which is why we will likely see a watch issued here at some point. I think just given what we're seeing out there, we will probably see a tornado watch. I'll move that over for you. You can see the area that the Storm Prediction Center is watching. They're putting it at 80% probability that they'll have a watch out here in the next hour or two, and just given that the conditions are favorable to maybe see a strong tornado or two as well. I do think we'll see a tornado watch here at some point in the upcoming hours. So let's give you the latest look at Futurecast. Again, it does show those storms developing pretty rapidly across East Texas as we go through the afternoon. We've been pretty lucky across Texas. The skies are still overcast at this point, so it may be kind of keeping a lid on things for the time being. But that lid or cap that we call it, it will likely erode pretty quickly as we move through the afternoon. So you can see what may be a pretty significant line of severe weather developing by about 2-3 p.m. close to Texarkana, then kind of moving through Shreveport. So if you're at work, at school, and you can kind of get out of there before 3 p.m. or as soon as that watch is issued, be safe to do that. Unfortunately, it looks like these storms will be timing out for the afternoon-evening commute in quite a few areas, which is always a little bit concerning to us. But you can see the storm still ongoing about 5-6 p.m. today, and then it looks like that severe weather window closes pretty quickly as we approach sunset. So that would be, again, 7-8 p.m. tonight that we should see most of the weather, at least the severe weather, wrapping up here in the Arklatex. A couple other things call to your attention. Tomorrow should be a pretty warm day. We should get some sunshine back, but it does look like we could see some significant severe weather on Friday as well. So, of course, we'll have more updates for you in the newscast tonight as well as tomorrow. Once today's severe weather threat wraps up, we'll turn our attention to some storms moving in late Friday, potentially into early Saturday.